In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to craft perks in Attack on Titan Revolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, when you go over to your inventory or your equipment, you will be able to find perks listed in here. So by clicking on perks, you will find the option to craft them at the bottom. You can click on any empty slot and you will be able to see all of the items that you have to equip on this empty slot related to support, defense, offense, and your body slot. But how do you actually equip it here, or how do you make them? Well, to craft these perks, you just have to click on craft at the bottom right, and you will be able to find the options to craft common perks, rare perks, epic perks, legendary perks, and finally, mythical perks. So the way that this works is that you will be able to sacrifice old perks that you don't really want to use into newer ones, and you will have a chance of acquiring better and better perks. So to get these, you just have to go over to Gear Up, Play, Missions, and then choose any mission here. As you can see, every single mission has a chance of dropping perks. So if I were to complete this one, for example, I would have roughly a 95% chance of getting a common perk. Then I would be able to go all the way back into my equipment, and then when I would click on craft, I would be able to find the option to input the common perk that I acquired. By inputting that common perk alongside other ones here at the bottom, I would have a chance of forging a new one that is a little bit stronger. So this is all you have to do. You will be able to drop these perks from all of these maps in various difficulties, and the higher you go, the better your chances of getting better perks, and then you just have to do it on your inventory window. You will be able to earn them as drops, and as long as you join any missions, you get them, you go over to your equipment, you will be able to manage them at this window. You can see the stats and bonuses that you are getting from every single perk that you have equipped, and you will be able to craft them at any time from this window here. Choose the rarity, and you will be able to input the items to have a chance of crafting one of these perks. I hope I was able to help you on how to craft perks in Attack on Titan Revolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.